To increase your Cash App limit, you need to verify your account. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Support option. From the Support menu, choose the Something Else option and then select Account Status. Here, you will find the option to verify your account, which will prompt you to enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. After submitting the required information, you may be asked to provide additional identification, such as a government-issued ID or a Social Security card. Once your account is verified, your Cash App limit will automatically increase. Verified accounts can send up to $7,500 per week and receive an unlimited amount of money. To further increase your Cash App limit, you can also link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. This will not only increase your limits but also provide you with more features and functionality. Within the app, it is essential to note that Cash App limits can vary depending on the user and their account history. If you are having trouble increasing your limit, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. In addition to verifying your account and linking a debit card or bank account, it is also crucial to ensure that your account is in good standing by avoiding any suspicious activity and keeping your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can increase your Cash App limit and take full advantage of the app's features and functionality.